Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is: on Amazon you will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. For everyday use, this cordless electric screwdriver is your go-to for small projects. Circuit sensor technology. Patented technology safely detects electrical current in outlets, switches and fixtures. Easy to use. Change to forward or reverse with a turn of the collar. Forget downtime. A rechargeable lithium-ion battery keeps this tool charged over an extended period of time. Ready to go. Power up your cordless screwdriver anywhere with micro USB charging. Dual LED light. Makes it easy to see in dimly lit areas. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is: choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. The cordless screwdriver features motion activation, variable speed and reversing control for precise fastening control. Motion activated variable speed 0 to 430 revolutions per minute of the rechargeable screwdriver is made for fastening into wood, plastic, and light gauge metal. The powered screwdriver allows illumination in confined areas without shadowing. Battery charge status on tool notifies when to charge packs. 1/4 inch hex allows for quick screwdriver bit change and holds 1 inch bit tips. 8 volts max battery pack allows for longer runtime and charges in 1 hour. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is: many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. The cordless screwdriver features motion activation, variable speed and reversing control for precise fastening control. Motion activated variable speed 0 to 430 revolutions per minute of the rechargeable screwdriver is made for fastening into wood, plastic, and light gauge metal. Adjustable 2-position handle of the powered screwdriver allows for operation in either inline or pistol grip. Allows control when completing light fastening applications. LED provides illumination in confined areas without shadowing. Battery charge status on tool notifies when to charge packs. 1/4 inch hex allows for quick screwdriver bit change and holds 1 inch bit tips. Show more. The number 1 on the list is: this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. 2-in-1 design. Uses a cordless screwdriver and a rechargeable flashlight. 3-position pivoting handle. Comfort grip handle pivots into 3 different positions, so you can access tight spaces and work in different orientations. Built-in flashlight. LED brightens up dark areas whenever you need it. Lightweight and compact. Easy to maneuver and reduces muscle fatigue. 4 volts max * battery. Rechargeable battery provides cordless convenience. Includes 1. BDC SFL20C 4 volts max cordless rechargeable screwdriver. 2. Screw-driving bits. 1. Charger. See more product details.